Hey guys, my name is Jacob here from the CryptoHub. It is January 12th, 2018, and let's go ahead and get done. Let's go ahead and do our market recap. Alright, so last 7 days we had this little dip, mostly from altcoins, and then we had some fake news come out of CNBC and Reuters talking about this ban that was happening, which was one guy in the South Korean government that was saying there was a ban. And people believed it. So there was that. And we lost $100 billion almost instantly. And since then, the markets recovered. And this is when the US investors woke up and they were like, oh wait, never mind. And we've just been steadily recovering from there. Bitcoin specifically took, this red candle right here was that one moment when people are like, oh my gosh, things are crazy. South Korea is banning it, and nothing happened. Literally, it was just one guy. And there's a petition today or yesterday that came out with like 100,000 people saying, hey, can we get rid of those two people that were saying that Bitcoin was banned and that cryptocurrency trading was banned? Because that was just ridiculous. One guy out of the entire government says something and people freak out. Sounds like when Jamie Dimon says something or Warren Buffett says something, like one person does not always dictate the market. It did actually serve as a good correction. Coincidentally, look at the price action for the last little bit. We've been struggling to gain any evaluation with Bitcoin. Ethereum took a little bit of a hit since its last all-time high of 1,400. It's slowly starting to bounce back, but we're not there yet. When we look at cryptos as a whole, there are a lot of coins that had good days. Like Ripple had a good day because they announced a partnership with like Money Union or something like that. Some money order place. Bitcoin Cash was positive. Pretty much everyone was positive after such a horrendous last 7 days. So I think the bigger indicator for how things have been doing are these 7 day right here. Like I knew Ripple needed a correction and they've gotten it. Cardano needed a correction, they've gotten it. Tron needed a massive correction, they've gotten it. A lot of these tokens have been were overextended, they need to have a pullback. Icon's the only one that I was frustrated about. Big Icon fan, talk about it all the time on the channel. But because it's mostly based in Korea, people were losing their minds and it lost like $4 of valuation like that. And I was just like, come on guys, like get rid of these weak hands. It's a great project, amazing partnerships. Just get it pushing up. It needs to be sitting here above Cardano. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I fully predict the market to continue to bounce back, probably to all-time highs. Fake news is going to happen. People are going to spread things just to get clicks on articles. Have a great day.